I just nearly pulled a bitumboweni. I'm chopping up the carrots really hard. Good job. We are making beef stew today, and it's a bit dark because my kitchen lights are off and I'm cooking at night and people are hungry, so I'm doing the best I can to so you chop up your veggies first. So I'm just chopping the celery as well. I've already chopped up some green and red pepper and the carrots off camera. Okay, so there we go. Sheesh. I think today, because I'm going all quick, I'm pulling a bitumboweni and making these huge chunks, but I think it's better if the chunks are a bit smaller. So there we go. I'm going as quickly as I can while the noisy people are bathing upstairs. There we go. I chopped these off camera because when you chop everything on camera it takes a whole lot of time, right? So that's just red pepper, green pepper, and some carrots. And so now I'm gonna add in the rest of the veggies, which is the onion and the celery. There we go. I think that should be enough. Actually regret not cooking earlier because it might just take a bit of a while, and I know people are hungry and they'll start snacking. Okay, so now we're going to prepare the meat. So in here I've got the beef, right? It looks like it's a lot, but we're a family of 7, and so if I cook 1 pack, it's one of those small little packs. I forgot to check what other grams or whatever, but yeah, I've got 2 of those packs and they are enough for a family of 7. Everybody eats a lot here, so I have to make sure that there's enough food. So yeah, let's prepare the meat. Okay guys, so in this bowl I've got all my spices in there. So I've got the cumin, ground cumin, got paprika, I've got the garlic and herb spice, and I've got turmeric. Now I'm gonna add flour to it, and then after that I'm gonna coat my beef cubes in there. The flour is definitely just for the thickening. I don't really like using the soup packs all the time. So I'm just mixing the flour with the spices so we can coat our meat in there. Oh yeah, I should have used a bigger bowl though. So what you're gonna do next is brown your beef. Okay, and the reason why I switched off my stove right now is because I left it on for a bit too long, so I'm doing it. I hope they all fit in. I'm just gonna put the brown meat into a bigger pan. There we go. Ooh, I'm burning there. A little bit into a bigger pan. And you know the flavors that are stuck here, so I'm just gonna deglaze the pan. As I always look into my kettle if there are any spiders in there, because you never know, right? So quickly deglaze the pan, a bit of water. all into the pot, and then I'm gonna add all my veggies, right? Just gonna move the pan over so you can see. I'm gonna put a bit of oil. Oh gosh, that was a bit of a mistake. I think I went a bit overboard. Nah, not too bad. Put these leftover spices that didn't coat the beef, so I'm just adding those in. Alright. And then I'm gonna add some tomato paste. This is tomato paste. Ooh, my opening skills are terrible. Guys, I'm gonna use the back of the spoon because wow, the way I open there. Some tomato paste. Chutney. Doesn't want to be, yeah, there you go. I'm gonna add some chutney. Not a lot because this is the hot kind. I don't want this meal to be hot. I ran out of my other chutney, so yeah. Then add some Worcestershire sauce, or however you pronounce it. Worcestershire sauce. You don't have to know how to pronounce it, you just need to open it and just put it in your food. That's all that matters. Okay, I think that's a lot. Okay, let's get the stove back on. Oh, there we go. Just mix it up. Smells really nice. Mix it up real good. It's looking a bit dark because of the Worcestershire sauce. So I brought back the big pot with the browned beef cubes, and I'm gonna add this mixture back in there. Wowzers, 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 wowzers. Yay! So I'm just gonna mix these. There's no pizza, it's just me cooking. Is it that good that it smells like pizza?
Can I have it?
Yes, you may have it. Okay, that's it. Everything is nicely covered. Now I'm gonna add in my stock. Okay, now you can use whatever stock you want. I usually use the chicken, Inner Palmans chicken. Please give me a second. So you can use whatever stock you want. I usually use the Inner Palmans chicken stock. Yes, I use chicken for my beef. That's just my secret. If you can hear me over my babies, that's just my secret ingredients, I guess. And I mixed it up with the vegetable powder stock from Woolies. I'm just gonna add that into the beef, and I'm gonna let it simmer. Might get a bit loud because now my babies are here. Ooh, here we go. And we're gonna just close the pot up. So this is a final product, ready to eat. Oh my goodness, it smells delicious. I've tasted it, it tastes delicious. So definitely try this recipe out, you will not regret it. People are very hungry right now, so yeah, that's it. I'm gonna stop filming. The people eat the food.